Big hi to everyone. Hina here from Cambridge Montessori Preschool Thane. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. So first of all, today I want to tell you that it's very good to see all the kids are enjoying the activity, and I appreciate your engagement with your kids, the way you are involved with your kids in all the activities, and thank you for sharing your videos and photos with us and making new version of the same activity. Okay, so quickly we'll dive into today's activity. You might have heard about sensory bean or sensory play, which has been considered a very important part of this age group. So our today's activity is related to the same. It's treasure hunt sensory bean. Yes, you all have been familiar with the word treasure hunt, right? So but this treasure hunt in this treasure hunt is being integrated with sensory play, so it will be more fun for your child. As you can see here it's our like little tiny sensory bean. For this you will need a tray or a big bowl you can take, and you have to add some mixed grain. As you can see here, I have used rice and dal. You can use the mixed grains. Don't worry, this mixed grains is not going to be wasted. I'm going to make khichdi tomorrow using the same, so you can. And if you don't want to use mixed grain, you can use sand if it is available. Okay, moving forward, after taking the grains, you have to take some objects and you have to hide them under the rice. As you can see here, you can't see any objects. Yes, as I have hide the objects under the grains, and I have used a paper like this. You have to take a piece of paper and you have to fold it like this. I have used coins. I have used cotton ball. Yes, you can use pom pom, it's great, but as I don't have, so I have made a ball from cotton. So you have to take this material and take these objects and you have to hide it under the grains. Now you have to ask your child to find the treasure, and they have to put the treasure in their treasure box. Yes, I have used ice cream bowl as a treasure box. You can use any of the object, or you can use your child's favorite thing as a treasure box. Okay, so for this your child has to use cloth bag to pick the treasure and to put it in the treasure box. They don't have to use their hand, they have to use cloth bag. As you can see here, picking tiny things using cloth bags will improve will enhance their hand movement and higher level of eye hand coordination. And please remember that as they are doing it first time, be very careful, as we have taken the tiny things, so they don't put it in their mouth, and it can be hard for them as they are using cloth bags for the first time. If your child is not able to do this activity using cloth bag, you can use your hair clips. Yes, you can take your hair clip. You can take big size or small size, and you can take this and you can put it like this. Okay, so shall we start? Ready? Okay, so are you ready to find your treasure? Yes. What you can see here? Rice, dal. Yes, very good. What else you can see? Nothing. Yes, but mama has hidden some treasure for you, some gifts for you under this grains. Do you want that? Yes. So you have to find that treasure and you have to put it in your treasure box. Yes. But remember, you have to use cloth bag to pick the treasure. You don't have to use your hand. Okay, let's start. Dig, 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 dig. Dig, see what you can find. Go slowly. Yes, you have to go slowly. See? Oh, what I found. What's this? Coin. Yes. Now you find your treasure. First treasure, you have to put it in the treasure box. Yes. No, no, no. You don't have to use your hand. You have to use cloth peg. Yes. Hold the treasure with another hand and pick it with cloth peg and put it into your treasure box. Great. If you want points, then you have to use cloth peg. If you will not use cloth peg, you will not get points. So no hand. You have to use cloth peg. Yes. Let's move forward. Dig, dig more. Dig. Slowly, slowly you have to dig. Oh, what's this? Piece of paper. Green color. Wow. Let's put it in our treasure box. Great. Very good. Now let's find our another treasure. Dig. You have to dig slowly. Oh, see what I found. Yes, what is it? Cotton ball. Yes, you're right. Now we have to put it in our treasure box. We have to pick it using your cloth peg. Great. Let's find another. Dig, dig, dig. Yes, you have to dig to find your treasure. Oh, I found it. Great. Dig, dig, dig. To make this activity more difficult or more challenging for your child, you can ask your child to use only one hand. Yes, once they have find the treasure, they have to use, they can't touch the treasure with another hand. They have to use only one hand. Yes, and they have to put it. Good job. Great. Dig it. Can you find any other thing? Is there something left? Yes. What I found. Dig, dig, dig. See. Oh, what's this? It's a coin. Yes. Now you have to, yes, pick it and put it in your treasure box. So when they are using their only one hand, it is going to be challenging for them. Oh, take it again. It may get little hard for your child. So please have patience and be polite with them. Okay, let's dig more. Can you find something else? Oh yes, again paper stripe. Yes. Yes, pick it and put it in your treasure box. Great. Dig, 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 dig. What you can find. Dig slowly. Oh, I found. What's this? Cotton ball. Yes. Put it in your treasure box. Good. Let's dig it more. Find out what else is there. What Mama has written more. Dig it slowly. It should not, the grain should not come outside of the tray or ball. Dig slowly. Is there something? Oh, there is nothing left. I got all my treasures. Yes. See, you got all your treasures. You have found all your treasures. Very good. Excellent. See, you have, your treasure box is full. You got all your treasure from this tray. Good. Clap for yourself. Okay. It might sound easy, but it's amazing how much kids learn from this activity. So please give it a try. I hope you like this activity, and do share your videos and photos with us. We'll be looking forward to it. Thank you. Bye bye.